Hi, friends, as a question had come up on the forum regarding cutting lyodite. I think that it's always good for people to have knowledge, even if they don't see it. Atraceros, another little glass cutter at home, for a picture frame, for something, for a cabinet. For furniture is always needed. Anyway, first I wanted to talk about some types of cutters. First, there are cutters with the reservoir. It's hollow. The handle is hollow to put cutting fluid, or even a good quality kerosene that can be used. And the models without reservoir. In this case here, I have a model that is for length, for circumference, a compass. But there are those models for straight cuts, option, which comes with a wooden handle and does not have a reservoir. In this case, it's good to apply a little kerosene with a brush. To cut it helps and increases the durability of the cutter first. Let's say that it is not a diamond. The correct term is glass cutter. And in fact, we do not cut, we scratch. Lead it to where it will be broken. In fact, it is not cut with this type of tool, but a diamond disc for specific cutting of glass. In this case, I'm here with a Mitsubishi. I have a Toyo TC600, which is for cutting thick sheets or plates. Standing up, a TC90, which is and I'm here with the Mitsubishi, which I have liked a lot, which is for, I even tapered its head, which is for curved cutting. And my compass anyway. Let's go to glass cutting. It's usually good for us to use a ruler. I'm not going to use a ruler here to make it easier for friends to see. I just wanted to draw attention a little to the sound of the cut. First, we hold the cutter like this. One finger supports the head, the other, which will serve as a guide. The other supports it on top so it doesn't come off in the third. The thumb ends up holding the set, and these two are exempt from the service. In this case, so we bet firmly you don't need to tighten too much, but you need to firm it. And we pull, then it calls a little, we do this movement. I don't like this one, I think it's worse. The arm works better pulling, so I wanted to draw attention to the sound. Let's pay a little attention to the sound. Ready? Did you hear that cut? That sound is the sound of the cut. We knock and open. Well, right? Hope this can help someone. Cheers.